Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be installing this unit that was sent to me from Ali Pearl. They did a really great job coloring this unit. I can easily run my fingers through the hair. It's bouncy, it's shiny, it's just everything. Let me give you guys a 360. I always do a middle part, but this unit was just giving bombshell, so I thought I would do a little side part moment. I will have all of the specs somewhere on the screen for you guys, but yeah, let's just jump right into the video. guys, that pretty much concludes the video. It's really soft and shiny and fluffy, and that's definitely something that I always look for in color treated units, just because sometimes, you know, it's still hair at the end of the day. I literally plugged up my wand thinking that I was gonna have to touch up these curls, but I didn't have to do a single thing. And just to show you guys the products that I used this like duo that I recently got. It's the Lace in Place Mist and Foam Gel from Go Glueless. It was kind of dripping down my face a little bit. So if you guys saw that in the video, no you didn't. But the hold is pretty good. Like it's not glue, and as you guys can see, like it's not going anywhere. So I love that you're able to install this without like having to actually glue it down. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video.